The advantages for me as a homemaker and having kids around is that if kids are sick, every time you have to get up and open the door manually. But for me, I'm able to open it through the phone. So, and one more thing is, I'm also able to know if any servant is coming or I'm not at home, who has come, who has gone. Everything, we have all the details on our phone because of the capture log, the call history and everything. So it's easy for me. And as he said, when kids forget to turn it off, we are there to do it through the app. Even when we forget to, and we sometimes feel lazy to go and turn it off. So that time we can do it through our mobile. When we are asleep, sometimes it's difficult. So that time we use the app. It's more. And when the AC also, if we want to reduce the temperature, increase the temperature, lights, everything is there on our app. So it's more convenient for us that way. And our lift is also automated, and so we are able to control the lift accordingly. When the service person comes, we direct him directly to go to the third floor only to do service. So he doesn't enter our privacy. And their networking, I must say, is very good. Anywhere in the house, we have good signal of the Wi-Fi, and they've also given us intercoms all over the house. Their service part is very good, because their staffs are very friendly and they're adjusting and they listen to our problems and they try to resolve it. Anytime I tell them I have a problem, you're able to sort it out within a day or two. And their automation work is very good. I must give 5 on 5 for their service and automation. Anyone wants to go for an automation in their house, yes, please go. A thumbs up.
I want to add also, being a touch screen switches, we always thought that after a year the touch sensitivity will go. But I would say that still it's the same, that smoothness is still there. And I would surely recommend Nakshatra Automation, and Pradeep sir has done, and his entire team has done fabulous job. I would vouch for it. It's an excellent thing which they have done. Made our life much more easier and a better one to live. Thank you.